The first ever Microsoft Power Platform Conference is coming September 20th through 22nd to Orlando, Florida. It is the first Microsoft-sponsored conference for the Power Platform, an in-person gathering bringing technology, business, and the community together. This is an exciting time for business applications, and we can't wait for you to gain the valuable insights and knowledge through workshops, engaging sessions, executive keynotes, and Microsoft thought leaders, MVPs, and experts, including Ryan Cunningham, Kim Manis, Julie Strauss, Samir Bangar, and me, Steven Siciliano. One of the things I'm really excited about is just being able to connect with people in person, having live Q&A, live sessions where people can ask questions and have that awesome interaction that we've really been craving with the pandemic for the past 2 years. The Microsoft Power Platform Conference is this September 20th through 22nd in Orlando, Florida. Join me at the conference. Register today at powerplatformconf.com.